Hello honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay my loves, I'm going to be making a really adorable little project today. I went to Target a few days ago and I found these little file or portfolio that they have out now for back to school, and I just fell in love with this adorable portfolio. It has kittens, mermaid kittens. Oh, I know, right? Isn't this the cutest thing in the world? Like little kittens that have like the little mermaid. It's just so freaking adorable. I also got one that had unicorns, and I also got one that had these little tiny cactus. I will do that video on this separately for you guys, okay? But today we're going to concentrate on these adorable little kitten mermaids. I thought they were super adorable. So what I did was I bought a whole bunch of these. They're $1, by the way, and I bought a whole bunch of them. And so last night I went fuzzy cutting crazy, and I started fuzzy cutting some of those portfolios, and I started doing, I really did a lot. I did some of the unicorns, and I also am going to do a video with you guys soon on this. Another different kind of unicorn. I did the like we were just talking about, the mermaid kittens. They're just so cute. So I did a lot of fuzzy cutting. I'm going to concentrate today on the kittens because they're just so cute and I love them. So I created this wand that I thought was the most like super adorable little wand. And I added one of these mermaid kittens right in the center of the wand. I don't know if you can see her there, but she's laying there very fabulously. And I added some beautiful flowers. I added some trim, some doilies. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this, okay? So what you need is, you're going to need 3 kinds of different doilies. Here I have this metallic one that's from Martha Stewart that I just recently bought. My canvas doilies that I absolutely adore. Also got them at Michael's. And then this like really mossy pink doily that I also got at Michael's, okay? You're going to need a circle. All I did was I took a can, I made a circle, and I cut it out, okay? Because you need a circle for the middle and you need a circle for the back. And then some wonderful embellishments. So we're going to do today this adorable little mermaid kitten that I fuzzy cut, and we're going to add this one in the front of our wand, okay? So let's get this wand together. Okay, so figure out the order of your doilies that you want it to look like. I want to put my canvas on the back, my metallic on the middle, and then the pink one in the center, okay? So that's how I'm going to sort of layer my doilies, okay? So I'm going to add some hot glue. I'm going to add this right here. So you're just going to get a nice little layer of doilies just like that. Pink, metallic, and then the canvas. I love that. Take your circle, and we're going to actually work with the circle. First, what I want to do is, I have some trims here that I put on the side. I want to cover my circle with some trim to give the wand some volume. So pick a trim that you want to work with. I'm going to pick this one. And all I want to do is basically hot glue the back of the circle with all these trims, and I'm just going to go around it, okay? That's all I'm really going to do. And as I go around it, I kind of squish it a little bit. So I add it, and then I kind of squish it, giving it kind of like a pleated look. See how that looks in the back? Okay, let's continue. I add it and then I pleat it with my fingers. I add it and then I pleat it with my fingers, just like that. And I'm just going to cut right here. And you're going to get something like this. You see that? How cute that looks? We're going to add this to the center of our doilies. Before we do that, I'm going to take my scissors. I'm going to trim a little bit the edges. So what I like to do is I just go in and cut a little slits like this, just to give the lace some space to lay down flat. Okay, I'm going to add some hot glue to the back of this here. And we're going to add this in the center. Of our wand. There we go. And you should get something like this. A nice, beautiful layout. See that? You got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Nice, right? Okay, beautiful. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add our adorable little mermaid kitten, which is this one. I want to add some dimension because I want to lift her up. She's so cute, isn't she? So let's add some dimensions to the back of this adorable little mermaid kitten. Okay. She's going to go roughly right here. Okay. So what I want to add down here is going to be some more ruffles. I have this pink one that I absolutely love. So we're going to add some of that pink ruffle in the bottom of our cute, adorable little mermaid. Just in the bottom of the mermaid, only like a little, I mean, we're not really going to add too much, just a little tiny, see? Just a little tiny piece. So we're going to cut roughly around here. And then we're going to hot glue this here to a little mermaid in the back, okay? It's gonna give it like a nice little ruffle. Perfect. Let's do that. I'm gonna take the glue, the dimensions also. And we're going to add our little right there, and right there. You see that? Just giving it a cute little skirt look to it. Okay, but since I glued it, I need to make sure that it's not going to go anywhere. So I'm going to hot glue this. Okay, and we're going to add it to our paper in the center where you want to add your little mermaid. I'm adding my little mermaid right there. So cute. And then these little like edges, if you want to tuck them in like this, you can. Okay, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna tuck mine in. So I'm gonna add a little bit of hot glue, and I'm just gonna take it in and I'm just gonna tuck it in like this. Just tuck it in just like that, so it doesn't look so messy. See that? Same thing with this one. If you want to tuck this one in, you can. I'm gonna do that. I'm just gonna take it, I'm just gonna tuck it in almost like in the back of the circle, kind of. There you go. See that? How cute is this? I love it. Adorable, right? Beautiful. Okay, perfect. Okay, so with this one, I added some beautiful flowers. I have here this one that I want to add to my little mermaid. I might want to add the flower maybe up here. I'm not sure yet what I want to do with this flower. I also have a cute little bow here, so I'm going to make the bow out of some lace that I have here. So I'm going to make it out of this lace. So we're going to make a nice little bow. Okay, just like that. And we're going to add the bow down here. I think I'm going to add the bow down here. Or should I add the bow over here? No, I want to add the bow down here. Right here, I'm going to add the bow. Cut out the extras. And then if you want to add a flower, you can right on the side. I think I'm going to do that, but this flower is a little bit too big. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these flowers apart and I'm going to divide them. So I'm going to add some in this side and then I'm going to add some on this side, okay? So take one petal, fold it in half, hot glue it, add hot glue to the back, and tuck this in. Back here, this fabulous looking, gorgeous mermaid. Just right there. And I'm going to do the same thing down here with this one. Tuck this in down here. There you go. That looks beautiful. We can actually add this here if we want. And I'm going to add a nice little, right there. And I'm going to add a nice little button in the center of that one. Just like that. Okay, there we go. Perfect. And our little wand is basically complete. All we need to do next, here I'm going to add another button. Just like that. There we go. And that's it. And we're done with the front of our little embellishment. All we're going to do in the back is add the straw, maybe add something in the middle over here, and then we're done. So let's add the straw. These straws I got at Target. What I like to do is I like to squish a little bit of the top so it could go flat on my embellishment. Then I go back here. I'll add it. Look at it and make sure it looks good. I'm going to add my hot glue. Attach this to the back. Hold it for a little bit. And then you're going to add the other circle that we cut out earlier. This one, and we're going to add that back there so we can cover that mess. Okay. And our wand is complete. I love this wand. Look how cute this turned out, guys. How freaking adorable is this? I hope you guys enjoy watching me make these adorable little wands. They're so cute. I love them. I'm going to create more using more of the portfolios that I got at Target. I think my next project is to create some embellishments using these adorable little cactus. So we'll do that next, okay? I hope you guys enjoy watching me make these adorable little kitten mermaid wands. Thumbs up if you like this video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like. Make sure you comment. And I will see you soon in my next video, honeys. Love you all and be safe. Bye.